Hello everyone, my name is Julio and I'm with MultiCam. I'm Director of Application for the Router Division. In today's video project, we're going to be doing a backlit sign. We're also going to be doing a display stand so the sign can be mounted on. And some of the material that we'll be using is going to be 3/8 acrylic, 3/16 acrylic, and 1-inch high-density urethane. Hopefully by the end of this video, we hope to show you guys how easy it is to go from design to finished product.
So the first step of any new project is to design all of our components into a CAD/CAM software. Here we'll be able to create the shapes of each piece as well as set cut parameters. Next, we'll bring the CAD into a 3D modeler so we can visualize the final design and make any adjustment we see fit before we start the cut. So since this is a two-side machining process, our first step is to use a 1/8" end mill, and we'll use that to drill some mounting holes. Then we'll switch to a 1/4" end mill to do some pocketing where our LEDs will be mounted. With the same 1/4" tool, we'll cut out the entire block so we can transfer that to a fixture for the second step. Okay, so here we are securing the part into a fixture that we've already cut, and we'll transfer that part into a fixture cut into our MDF, which is our sacrificial material. This will allow us to accurately reposition the part for our next cut. With the part positioned in the fixture, all that is left to do is to cut out the front side of the logo out of the HDU material. Once the cut is complete, we can separate the logo from the fixture. Our next step is to cut 3/8 acrylic with a 1/4" end mill. And as you will see later on, this will be mounted behind the logo. And what that will do is this will act as a standoff from the mounting wall, but it will also allow the light to spread more evenly. For our display stand, we are using 3/16 pearl textured acrylic with a 1/4" end mill. And now we're just adding a couple of coat of paint on our HDU.
All right, so we've cut all of our material. We have the 3/8 acrylic and the 3/16 for the stand that we're gonna build so we can mount the backlit sign onto it. We also have some 3/8 acrylic that's gonna go at the back of the sign, and then that will help the LED light that we're going to apply to spread out a little better. Here we have our electrical component, and we have our LED strip that we've already applied on the back after we've done all of our painting process. And now with all the components that we have, we're ready for assembly.
So first we're going to assemble our display stand, and to bond the acrylic together, we're simply using Weldon 3 with a bottle applicator.
All right, so now we have our display stand assembled and it's all dried up, and we went ahead and add the hardware and the feet for the stand. And now all that's left to do is to wire everything up and then mount our backlit sign onto it and turn it on. Well, we really enjoyed doing this video for you guys, and we thank you for watching, and stay tuned for our next Inspired by MultiCam video.